on this episode of Doorbell Mania.
Hello?
Yes, how you doing, sir? How you doing?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
Sir, put my package back, please.
You gotta get away from my porch,
Can you
dude.
please put my... I'm calling the cops right now.
Long Beach, California. A red-haired woman is seen on a doorbell camera standing in front of this house as she is waiting for someone, or perhaps her Uber or Lyft ride. The homeowner's package sits unattended in the far left of your screen. As the woman builds up enough courage, she decides to go for it. Have you seen this woman or the missing package? Fort Lauderdale, Florida. A woman is seen on Ring camera attempting to break and enter a tenant's home. Is this an accident, a setup? Is she avoiding someone in the unseen background? Why is she there at a random stranger's door trying to get in? Who is she? I don't know. It seems extremely sketchy. Thankfully, the door was locked and the homeowner's dog alerted them. But what if it was unlocked? Spooky. Lakeland, Florida. These two ladies allegedly claim that they are neighbors as they stand in the middle of the night at this homeowner's door. They claim they heard blood-curdling screaming and left their place of residence to locate where the screams were coming from and to help the alleged victim and make sure everything is okay. Something isn't right here. Are they the police? Some kind of superheroes? The neighborhood vigilantes? I don't know. Something smells fishy here. Respectfully. The husband and wife were sleeping and their 18-year-old daughter answered the door.
I am trying to evacuate. Somebody screaming and everything, screaming help to the top of their lungs. And we live right there, so we were just, because this is so close, we didn't know whose house it was, so. Okay, we're checking.
Yeah, we're all good here.
All right, thank you.
I hope you find everyone who's screaming.
Thank you.
Two lessons can be learned here. 1. If you hear screams, call the police. What if those screams had come from the house? Now you're in danger. 2. Never answer the door for anyone if you do not know them at 11:30 at night. Get your parents or whoever is in charge. They will know what to do. New York City. A tenant's doorbell Ring camera captures a young woman stealing a pizza order from a delivery man. What else has she stolen in that building? I don't know, and I doubt she's starving. Being hungry should never cause one to jeopardize their safety and or freedom. Who raised this woman? And she dropped the breadsticks. Cleveland, Ohio. This thief is caught making loud noises outside this cameraman's home. He abandoned the toolbox after the man called the police. Although the police never showed up, he was able to find the owner of the toolbox, which were being used for construction of a library.
No, it ain't scrap. You took that right out of someone's truck, buddy. That's all right. Waking up my kids, man, it's all right. The police are already on the way, so they'll catch you. Got you on video, and yeah, that's full of somebody right out of their truck, buddy. You know what, I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Norfolk, Virginia. A white car stops in the middle of the street to rummage through a work van. I don't think the worker on the ladder even noticed because he was working. Make sure to always lock up, even in broad daylight. Wonder what was taken out of his van. Hopefully not his lunch. Pizza. Don't trust anyone ringing your doorbell at 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't care what they have to say. Kick rocks.
What is that, Denali? That's a nice car. I don't know why, man. Must be busy. You don't sleep, though. Phil? Oh, here he comes. Hello? Phil?
What can I do for you?
I'm looking for Phil.
Huh?
Looking for Phil.
Who?
Phil.
Wrong place, bro.
Did he sell the place?
Huh?
Did he sell the place?
What are you talking about?
Like the guy owned the house, his name was Phil. That was...
No. So beat it.
All right.
Call the cops. Get out.
Bronx, New York. An elderly woman's purse is seen being snatched from her as she falls down. Luckily, she's okay. This guy should be ashamed of himself. Who raised this creep? Virginia Beach, Virginia. 2 German Shepherd dogs are seen chasing a woman into her home. Luckily, it appears as if these 2 dogs are friendly. But you never know. Attend to your dog and make sure they have a leash if they're not trained properly. Brooklyn, New York. This bootleg Joe Pesci wannabe is seen on Ring camera, owned by the super of the building, stealing another tenant's package.
I fix it, alright? Don't worry about it. I know you steal my mail, too. I'll change my lock tomorrow. East side.
It must have gotten back to the thief that the super is snitched, so a few days later, he makes sure to explicitly go off on camera and damage any new packages by the alleged tenant he is in disagreement with. So childish.
You're a radio troublemaker rat. Rat bastard. Somebody. You and your wife.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
We'll be right there.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can I help you?
I have some stuff for you.
Sorry?
I have some package.
What did you say?
I have a package.
Okay, I think you're at the wrong door.
No, it's the right door.
What package is it?
It's where to start.
We're not, I can't come to the door right now. You can leave it there.
Huh?
You can leave
Is
the
this the right
package
door?
there.
Is this the right door?
Which door are you looking for?
I think it's this door. Are you busy?
Yes, we're busy.
Do you want to leave it here?
Yes, leave it there, please.
All right.
What's the package from?
It's in the door.
Look at all this person is doing for a package. What does this person think they're in? Mission Impossible? The Amazing Spider-Man? This person wins the award for the Doing Too Much Olympics. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Birmingham, Alabama. Listen, folks, don't trust anyone ringing your bell in the middle of the night asking you for anything. Let this be a precautionary tale.
How you doing? What's going on, brother? My car right here at the pod down here. I lost my keys in the car. I want to know, do you have a clothes hanger? Hey, champion. Man, this ain't the house to knock on this time of night, champ. I'm sorry, man. I dropped my keys in the car right there in the pod down there. I don't know you had a clothes hanger. I get my key. What's your name? Reginald. What you doing in the pod this time of night? I was just chilling for a while there. When I pressed the brand, I closed the door and locked my keys in. There's a lot of stuff going on around here, brother. I appreciate you not coming here. I'm sorry, bro. Man, you know what? I mean, bro. It's rough out here, man. I know. There's a lot of crime going on in that pod, bro. I know. You may be able to play a part in it. If you knew you wouldn't be there, I'm just speaking for my neighbors, brother. I got you. So, man, I advise you, man, to come here in the morning, Reginald. And please, where's your address? No, I got a room. Your address? My address? Yeah. Oh, 200 Saturn Lane. Exactly, man. That's our pod. You talking about a room. I know what's going around there, brother. Stay away from our house, man. Okay. Please. Yes, sir.
Jersey City, New Jersey.
Hey, don't take that. Hey, nope, don't take that. Sir, I got you on camera. I got your license plates and everything. No. I tried to catch UPS guy to tell them to bring it in the store. So I'm trying to what? If I see somebody walk past, please bring it in the store for me.
Hello?
Yes, how you doing, sir? How you doing?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
Here?
Excuse me?
No, I was trying to do. I was hungry, fam. I was trying to see you try to spare me like $2 or
Bro, I got nothing for you, bro. You're knocking on the wrong door, my guy. You gotta go.
Don't forget to like and share and hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, have a good one.